Hello and good morning. So today is another fine day, as I always say. So now the vehicle has been washed. After 2 bucket wash method, it's now time to do our decontamination process. So So today is another fine day, as I always say. The vehicle in question today for enhancement detail and ceramic coating application is this beauty, Audi S3. Now I don't even know what the colour of this blue is, but all I know is beautiful, nice and dark. Once it gets coated, it's going to look amazing. The wheels in anthrite have just been refurbed. The whole appearance of this vehicle, stunning. They need some love. But looked like it had a field day. So this car is having a stage 1 enhancement, ceramic coating application to the paint. The wheels will be protected and the glass will be protected. So, like I always say, let's get the show on the road. So the vehicle has had its 2 bucket wash method, now time to rinse it off again. I don't always video that because I'll get my hands dirty. Time to rinse the B stuff. So now the vehicle has been washed. After its 2 bucket wash method, it's now time to do our decontamination process. So we've already done the fallout remover over the vehicle itself. We've already done the tar at the lower areas. We're still going to have a look at the tar when we get it in the unit, just see if there's any space, any parts that we've missed. But now time to do the claying, so clay process. So the vehicle has all been decontaminated and washed, and now inside the unit. Time to start inspecting the paintwork. So on first glance, obviously the vehicle looks nice and clean and the paintwork doesn't look too bad, but the lights will give us a different reflection. So let's get the lights on this beauty and see how she's looking. So the current situation is half of the bonnet and the front wing have now had some machine polishing done. Just to give you a little glimpse, so that is currently what the front wing looks like, and that is what the front door looks like. So as you can see, a major improvement for its stage 1 enhancement. Time to assess the rest of the vehicle and see what the condition looks like, but so far so good. So the current situation is majority of the car has been machine polished. We've only got half of the bonnet left to do in the front bumper, and we've started coating the car on the passenger side to the back of the car and then back right to the front. So all the coating will be done tonight, and then we'll come back in the morning and do a final inspection, make sure everything's okay before we do handover. I'm not going to show you any more of the clips right now. Do that all tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. So it is a new day and the vehicle is now complete. I've done my final checks, had a quick walk around, make sure everything is intact. Now it's time to show you what we are working with. So the Audi S3, after its stage 1 enhancement detail, ceramic coating application, wheel protection and glass protection. Have a look at this.
Play haters, we're so bored of ya. Old school friends, we can't talk to ya. Mix codeine with the formula. Got 2 girls kissing, bring more of ya. Heart so cold, I can't fall in love. Buy more time, I need all them more. Pagan friends, I can't talk to ya. That boy's broke, he's falling off. I can't stand you talking up, babe, let's make love. Get naughty ya, fuck me till I come, I ain't bored of ya. Keep it a secret, Victoria. Eyes on you, they ain't bored of ya. Truth of the matter, we ain't stalling up. Can't sleep on me, insomnia. Can't sleep on her, insomnia. But that's my thing, that's my thing. What, when you put it under your tongue, you know that that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. Please don't stare too much, excuse me, that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. When a DJ plays that tune, you know that.
Safe to say the car looks like a sheet of glass. Hopefully the customer is happy. He will be coming to collect in the next half an hour. What can I say? Another vehicle done by Artisan Automotive. If you want to get your car booked in, just put us down in the description below. All the information is there, and hopefully we'll get you in the Artisan factory. But for now, whatever you do,
that's my thing, that's my thing. When a DJ plays that tune, you know that that's my thing, that's my thing. Please don't stare too much, excuse me, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. What, when you put it under your tongue, you know that that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. Please don't stare too much, excuse me, that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. What, when you put it under your tongue, you know that that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my thing. Please don't stare too much, excuse me, that's my thing, that's my. She left you cause she's bored of ya. Good guys come last, I know all of ya. I got a brown ting called Loria and a brunette ting Victoria. Put the meat in the oven and start warming up. Truth of the matter, we ain't stalling up. Can't sleep on me, insomnia. Can't sleep on her, insomnia. Like stepped in a place like boom, cause I got money on my head like Mitch. Get a refund cause I never got hit. Roll that dice if you wanna get rich. Bad mind vibes, you know we don't play that. Vibe on this, yeah I say that. I be in the mob like ASAP. When I come shoot, everybody just that's my thing, that's my thing. What, when you put it under your tongue, you know that that's my thing, that's my thing. That's my thing, that's my